delete rows. So we are going to delete rows, and here we have the contact list. So from the contact list we will delete or remove selected contacts. As in previous lesson we have seen the contact list where we are selecting the contacts and removing, but we didn't assign the value as unmarked. So what will be difference here? While I have selected and deselected, while pressing on remove button, it is removing unselected contact list also. See here, so it is marking, and while it is unmarking, then also it is removing. Now we will correct this in this lesson 11. So here we will mark and unmark the rows. So let's see how we'll achieve this. So we will duplicate demo base, so as per the previous lesson we have the contact list here. We will click on contact list, and here we have given the code for the marked rows. We will remove this code, and for mark and unmark we'll select this radio button. We'll give interaction selected. So while selected we have to assign values in repeater action, mark rows. We'll select the repeater, and the same will go to new interaction. We'll select unselected action and then double click repeater actions, unmark rows, select contact list. It's done. Now we'll review. We'll select Amit, we'll remove. We'll select Achilles, we'll unselect and remove. It is not removing because here we have assigned the values for the radio, which is saying selected mark and unselected unmark. So when it is unselected unmark, it won't delete the contact. So here we have selected Benny and Hitesh. We can remove Indresh. I have selected Jose. I have selected Kalpesh. I have selected. Now I am unselecting Indresh. So Indresh is still there because I have unselected. Now while clicking on this, it should ask to remove. So we'll create one pop-up with the same style, 10 pixel radius, no border. We'll give some shadow. And here we can say the text control and control, make it middle align, make the text font change and no border. Now we'll give two buttons, delete and cancel. Can make the font and you can make it middle align, so little up. Make the dynamic panel, and before making the dynamic panel, take the interaction from this, cut this interaction and paste here in delete. Now make the dynamic panel, select all, so we can say here remove contact, hide this, or before that remove contact. While clicking cancel, it should hide this widget. Now you can hide it, remove contact. So while clicking on this, it should show remove contact. So let's preview. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, then cancel. So one more feature we are going to add: while deleting, delete contact list and then hide remove contact. Now we'll preview again, and one more feature we want to add here, it's to show as a light box. So we'll preview, selecting Achilles. Are you sure you want to delete? Delete. Achilles is deleted. So you can keep this remove contact in the middle of this, and preview. So selecting Abhilash, Jaya, Benny, Hitesh, and click on the remove contact. Are you sure you want? Are you sure? And even you want to add, you can add more text here and delete it. So guys, how is the lesson? Please write on the comment if need to add something more. Thank you.